Hi everyone, my name is Evans. So you are trying to simplify 81 a to the power 4 b power 2 over 121 a power negative 6 b power 8, all this raised to power half. So when you face such a question, this is how you work out the solution. So first of all, we simplify the unknowns. That is a to the power 4 b squared over a to the power negative 6 b to the power 8. So we are going to have 81 a to the power 4 a to the power 4. 81 over 121. Then we have a to the power 4 b squared a to the power negative 6 b to the power 8. Before we input a to the power half there. So we are going to solve the unknowns a to the power 4 and b squared over a to the power 6 negative 6 and b to the power 8. So what we do, we send the division of two powers. We normally subtract the powers when the base is the same. So you're going to have 81 over 121, then a. So you're going to subtract these powers because we are dividing these two numbers. You're going to have 4 minus 6. Then b will be now 2 minus 8. Now this is to power half. What we have done here, we have just used the laws of indices where we have a difference of two powers, where we subtract the powers when the base is the same. So you're going to have 81 a to the power 10 b to the power negative 6 over 121, all this raised to power half. When we have a number raised to power half, simply we mean that number, you find its square root. So it's like we are finding the square root of 81 a raised to power 10 b raised to power negative 6 over 121. It's like we are finding the square root of that number, which is the same as or that number raised to power half. So we're going to have 81 raised to power half a raised to power 10 times half b raised to power negative 6 times half over 121 raised to power half. And we said when you are raising a number to power half, it's like you find the square root of that number. So the square root of 81 we know is 9. Or you can simply do it this way. 81, we express 81 to its prime factors. 81 to its prime factors will be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which is the same as 3 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 raised to power 4. Then we have also 121. 121, we raise 121 to its prime factors, which will be 11 squared. So we're going to have now, this becomes 3 raised to power 4 times half a raised to power 10 times half, b raised to the power negative 6 times half over 121 raised to the power half. So when you simplify, you're going to have, if you divide by 2 here, 1 by 2, 2, we're going to be left with 3 squared. Then a by 2, 1 by 2, 5, a raised to the power 5, by 2, 1 by 2, negative 3, b raised to the power negative 3, over 1 times 1 raised to the power half is 11. Which will be 9 a raised to the power 5, b power negative 3 over 11. That is our final solution.